Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to pair the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 headphones with any iPhone or iPad. First, grab the left headphone and locate the buttons. Click and hold the power button until the indicator turns green, then release it. Next, click and hold the Bluetooth button until the indicator starts blinking white. If it doesn't work, release and hold it again. Once it's blinking white, release the buttons and open Bluetooth settings on your iOS device. Select 700 Gen 2 Max from the list and you'll be successfully connected. You can also download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub app from the App Store. Wait for the download to finish, then open the app to adjust settings like superhuman hearing, mic monitoring, equalizer presets, and master volume. That's all for this